Okay, today we're going to be running the Revo. I recently put a slipper clutch eliminator, so we're going to see how that goes. I have stock front end. I put in the steel drive shafts. I did aluminum tops back here, no reason in particular, but I did the RPM True Track bottoms and a couple other things. I don't remember what tooth, pinion, and clutch bell I'm running. But yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, let it warm up. It's very lively off acceleration. It'll always wheel, but that's the eliminator. I have old Hobeo Hyper ST rims and tires on this. Hold on, honey. It's pretty quick. Yeah, it rocks. velocity pipe on it, and a Mach 2.26 dynamite engine. And it runs pretty strong. I like that engine. Oh. Lean bog. Not really sure why. I know it's not running lean. Plenty of smoke. Oh, it's running out of fuel. Forgot to put fuel in it. I know the last time I did a speed run on this, it seemed to top out at 46. I don't know if it can go much faster than that, unless I get a different size clutch bell or something. But this thing's a wheelie monster. I do love this truck. It's super reliable. I do have a wheelie bar on it, but I lost the wheels on it, so it's just metal scraping. And it doesn't very much keep it very stable in the air. Nice rocks, Raylan. All right, we're back. For some reason, the camera messed up before in the middle of shooting. But right after I was saying how reliable this truck is, the throttle servo literally crapped out. Oh my God, a huge puddle. So I had to replace the throttle servo with an old crappy one. So hopefully it holds up. Yeah, for some reason I filmed the whole thing of me replacing it, and I went back inside to check the footage and it was all deleted for some reason. So now we're back out here. This throttle servo seems to be working good. It's an old Airtronics servo. Jeez. Let's let this car pass. Don't worry, I'm not going to do any speed runs going downhill. None that are clocked anyways. She is fast though. Like I said, 46 is what I've had it topped out at. I don't know if it'll go any faster. Loves the wheelie. A Novarossi pipe is just like mwah, the best thing for this. Love the way it sounds. Whoa. Oh. This whole part of my yard is going uphill. Whoa. The idle's so good. Hey! She's okay. No scratches. Motor's hot, but it's not that hot. It's staying nice and cool. I mean, it's not really cool, but... she's fun though. Love this truck. I painted this body maybe 4 years ago, and it's been mutilated ever since. After I put it in the big block, I had to cut out that whole side for the pipe just so it would fit correctly. I gotta cut my grass. Truggy tires, I feel like, are the best for this truck.